Let's take a moment to review what's included in the box. Inside, you'll find these very comfortable headphones, a nice carrying bag, a manual, and 2 connecting cords. Now let me show you where the cords plug in. On one side, you'll find the standard microphone jack for studio work, while on the other side, you'll find a 3.5 millimeter jack commonly used for laptops, smartphones, and various other audio devices. More details on that coming up. Rather than overwhelm you with technical jargon, let's keep it simple. These headphones deliver exceptional sound quality and are comfortable enough to be worn all day. The diaphragm or speaker is large enough to produce rich bass while maintaining clear, crisp, high frequencies. In fact, the sound quality is comparable to the high-end Sony headphones I've been using for years. And as you can see, they broke. And that's why I needed to shop for new headphones. Now here's the standout feature that I found particularly useful. The 3.5 millimeter cord that comes with these headphones has a built-in microphone. This allows the headphones to double as a headset, making them ideal for making phone calls or video conferencing. The fact that I can use these headphones as a fully functioning headset is my favorite unexpected feature. So if you're in the market for headphones with outstanding sound quality and all-day comfort, I highly recommend these. Thanks for watching.